If you made it this far in the troubleshooting guide, then that means that none of these steps worked, but don't worry, there is something else that can be done that others do not offer. That option is to phone the Phantom. That's right, you can send me a message and we can go over more methods to get your Live 2D to work on VTube Studio. I won't give up, and neither will you. Check out my socials and contacts down below so we can continue this conversation. After all this time, I feel like I've gotten to know you a tiny bit more. So, what are you waiting for? Let's solve this together. If this guide did help, then please consider following me or subscribing on my socials for more troubleshooting guides and other content. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you real soon, spirits. Take care.